Just a quick rundown on our most recent install, H&MV engineering. Planning, of course, is crucial. Measure twice and cut once. Pat will call to site. He will come up with the programme and the plan, working very, very closely with all the other trades, painters, electricians, the carpet people, site preparation. And in this instance, we had to remove some old furniture in accordance with our ISO standards before the job could begin. So the furniture arrives and the install begins. Looking at the floor plan, making sure that the layout and the furniture is as per our design team. Our crew, they really pride themselves in their work. They want to be able to go into places as we've done years afterwards and say, we've done that, and look at it, the place is still shining. So going the extra mile is standard. And we do it because we want to, not because we have to. So in this instance, we're very, very, very happy. After working closely with our design team, our client now prides itself in having a space that cultivates relationships, team spirit, and most of all, learning.